Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook page. So first of all, you have to log into your Facebook account, that is your profile, okay? And then next, you have to come and click here. And then you have to also come and click here once again to switch to the page that you want to delete. So I'll just click this example to delete. Then next, we shall have to come and click here on these three lines here. And then again we have to scroll a little bit up and until we reach here, settings and privacy. You have to click there, and then we have to click settings, and then we have to scroll down until you reach here, access and control. So here you can see we have two options: deactivate the page, and here we have delete the page. So we shall just click delete the page, and then we shall click continue. So here they will ask us to select the reason why we are deleting this Facebook page, so you can select whichever one you want. So we shall click I have a privacy concern. So here you can just click continue, and then click continue, and then here you will enter your Facebook password. And then once you reach here, you have to click delete the page. And that is how you delete your Facebook page. Hit the subscribe button if you want to get more videos like this. Bye, take care.